Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, please subscribe, chat the families, take don't go, you already gave my stay. So I would like to thank you for my returning subscriber who come back and support me. I love you guys a bunch. So today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys. I showed you guys on one video this cool LED mask, and I've been testing the mask for a little while because you guys know on this channel I don't care whatever I get here. I always tell them I need at least 2 weeks to test the product, you know, because I can get the product today, testing tomorrow, see results, so you need a little time. So I'm very excited about this mask, and I'm gonna show you guys how the mask comes. And this mask, it's super cool. This is the mask here. I have attached the little, like this almost look like a sunglass leg. So this is gonna hold the mask on your face. And here you have the neck piece that you attach to your neck, and you have a little strap here that you go around and connect on the side here. We will do that when I be showing you guys a little bit about how to use the mask and the light frequency. So in the box it comes the mask itself, and come the two little side legs, the neck piece, who is super cool. I did see this another kind of mask like this, but I never see one with the neck piece. That's fabulous, because I always say on this channel, skincare for your face, your neck needs love too. So here's the love for your neck. Alright, and so the mask, the neck piece, you have the little control here that you're gonna control your mask, and here you have a power button, and you have here a start and stop button, and in the middle here you have the light selection, like a little rainbow button that you can change light color depending on the treatment of the skin that you want for that day. We're gonna go through all the 7 different lights, girl, 7. They have a treatment there for literally all type of skin and all condition that you have, which is fabulous. And here you have a timer less and timer plus, if you want more time or less time. And here you have the energy button, more or less. That's I think the lights of the mask, if you want to put it higher or low. And the time set, the higher treatment that you can do is 60 minutes, which is fabulous. If you're home Sunday morning relaxing, doing nothing, girl, hook this thing up, lay down, chill, take a little nap, and when you wake up, you're gonna be fabulous. Alright, I talked too much. So and also in the box it came this hyaluronic acid serum, and I believe that you can project e-beauty, and I believe that this one you can purchase in the website where you can get the mask. So the mask is called Photon Mask from Project Beauty, and this one is Skin Rejuvenation LED Mask. Alright, and okay, wireless controller, 7 color technology, 200-gram lightweight. Okay, so here on the side we have all. Let me just open this serum so we can see a little bit, because I was using my other serum that I have open, that I locked the door with the mask. So this one I just left in the box. Wow, that's a thick serum. Okay, so but we're gonna be trying today. I'm gonna try the mask with you guys, so you guys can see how the mask works. So the first thing you wanna do when you get your mask, I already did it to mine because you guys know I've been using. So you want to wipe your mask with towel, with just little damp with the alcohol, just for disinfect, or maybe a little wiper. Let's talk about the lights in the mask. Right, so I'm gonna hold the mask here so you guys can see, and let's turn it on. start, and this is the red LED lights. That's the first one, and let's see what this red one is good for. Alright, red light, one of the most powerful color to increase blood circulation. Fabulous. It stimulates skin cells to excrete collagen to active, firm and smoother texture. What? Girl, we need that. The red light penetrating 8 to 10 any type of skin, rich derma to simulate fiber cell. Heating can improve blood circulation and collagen absorption. Yeah, to reduce wrinkle and make skin more elastic and smooth. The mild wave length is suitable for surrounding the eye and the forehead. So you guys see what the red light does? Fabulous, girl. Stop it. I am loving these. You know, I just wish I had like a more time. You know, normally I get home late from work, and now plus I'm studying too, so I'm working and studying, so I have very little time. So but my favorite time to use these in the weekends. It's when I chill and I have a little more time for film editing and then take a break. I like to use in the morning or in the evening. So let's go to the next light. So the next light we got here is the green light, and just remind you, don't never look straight into the LED lights. All right, so when you're using, try to maybe close your eyes and relax, you sit down and chill. So the green lights, let's talk a little bit about the green lights. Anti-aging, smooth wrinkle and fine lines, cure wounds, improve the function of the alternating use of cells and oxygen, and active the microcirculation function of the body surface. Meanwhile, calming the skin can make both body and skin relax and reduce the pain of the skin. So this light is fabulous. All right, so now let me just change the light. Ooh, okay, now we have here a blue light. So let's see what the blue light, or the goodness that the blue light can do to us. Blue light, excellent effect of curing acne, kills bacteria, improve sensitive skin. What? Amazing. The blue light penetrating about 0.5 mm has the function of calming against skin rashes, suitable for the skin which is sensitive, oily, and skin rashes. It can adjust skin sebum secretion effectively get rid of acne and welk to reach the aim of beautification. Besides, the blue lights can strengthen and tighten the loosened skin. So here you have the blue light. It's fabulous. Ooh, that's cool. When it looks to the camera, I'm sorry if it was, the camera was like moving water balance. I didn't know that happened. So now let's change to the next light. We have the yellow light, and let's see what the yellow light is good for, right? So yellow light improve microcirculation, adjust factor, and inhibits melanin production. The yellow light revitalizes lymphatic and nervous system, strengthens the muscular and immunological system, simultaneously improve and balance sensitive skin. Wow, this light is fabulous. Definitely one of good ones too. So now let's see. So the purple lights relaxing, improve lymph metabolism. The purple light can strengthen the protein, fiber, tissue, shrink pores at the same time, eliminate face yellow, wrinkle, and premature acne-prone skin, accelerate the blood circulation function, promotes activation of skin tissue. girl, stop it. This light is one of my favorite. Any product that helps you with tighten your pore and help you with acne prone skin, that is a home run. So yeah, purple light, big thumbs up for you, girl. Last but not least, this is the white light. So I'm not gonna turn the camera because, like I told you guys, affects the camera. So this is a white light. So let's see what the white light does to the skin. White light, relaxing, activate your skin natural renew system to reverse the effect of aging, at the same time restoring young and healthy skin. What? Hello, white light. Yes, white light's fabulous too. Project E-Beauty, so that's the company that make the mask. And here you have all the safe instruction that you need before using your mask. And you have here all the pieces that come in the box that you need to put your masks together. Yeah, so one thing that I noticed here that they say for you, don't be sure to not look straight into the mask. And if you're going to use the mask, make sure that you remove any like metal that you have on your body. Use a little bit of this serum. And I don't have nothing on my skin, zero, so just this little serum that I put in now. So let's try this mask, right? For the white one, that activates your skin natural renew system, reverse the effect of aging, at the same time restore younger and healthier looking skin. So let's go to the white light, right? That just look appealing to me. Here you have the little side you connect, and you can adjust your strap to make sure that your piece fits comfortably. 10 minutes should be enough for me. I don't have much time today, so let's do this. Alright, so let's see here. Let's turn. Alright, so I have here on the white light setting. So I'm just gonna lay back and chill for a minute. Alright, so 10 minutes went by. Let's just stop and remove this from the mask. It fits very good. I'm just gonna put it back so you guys can see. And here, no hand. It stays in place. It's not like a big falling on your face. And now you just disconnect your piercing mask. And me, I definitely would recommend you to always, when you finish using your mask, to remove the little legs on the side and wipe it clean with a little clean cloth with alcohol or with a little wiper. And I would definitely recommend you to keep in a box that comes in it, because it just have like the perfect fit for your mask to sit in it. You know, these kind of device, they are sensitive, and you want to make sure you store them in a place that's no moisture around or heat. So, you know, you want to make your mask last, you have to care for. And you know, in this device, it's like an investment that you're doing. You invest in yourself, invest in your skin. So it's something that you're gonna put a little money towards, but it's something that's gonna last you for years if with the proper care, and it's gonna give you fabulous skin for years to come. So here is how I store my mask and put away. We'll link the link below for this Project E-Beauty Photon Mask, Rejuvenation Skin Mask for you guys. And if you guys have any question about the mask or about the treatments, you guys can see so far I love skincare and my skin looks amazing because I take very good care of. And this is a new tool that's gonna be on my, I definitely gonna try to make like every day. If I don't have time, I'm gonna try this when I come home and do my night skincare. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next video.